Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We're about to embark on an exciting new trek in Uttarakhand.
Specifically in the Uttarkashi district. Get ready for a thrilling adventure as we meet new people along the way and explore a new place we've never been to before. Stay tuned for an unforgettable journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.
चले
चले